I've done something here. I'm in bed, I've had my dinner, and I'm craving a sweet snack. But the problem is, I went to Tesco's yesterday and got my snacks and obviously ate all of them. But now that leaves me in a sticky situation because I can't go to Tesco's again because that's literally the day after. So what do? I went onto this app where you could put your ingredients in and find some recipes, and they were all just a little bit I see one of them is banana bread. Everyone and their mothers have been making banana bread in this lockdown, and I have no idea why. I didn't even know really it was a thing. So I think this banana bread hype is overrated. I'm going to make something even simpler, which is peanut butter cookies. 3 ingredients, dairy and gluten-free. Let's see how it goes. I don't really know what 1 cup specify. I am just gonna put some in like that, I guess. Was that enough? Okay, I just put a substantial amount more in. So we move. Egg is in. I don't know what a cup means. It's definitely more than that. It's very sticky. I just thought, you know, a bit of protein, a bit more comforting. I need to get a tripod because this is just not cutting it. Better? No? Oh, so close. That's okay. Actually, it's got a nice consistency. Oh, there's something quite nice about baking for yourself. It doesn't feel as good as baking for someone else because I feel like giving feels a lot better than this could sound wrong. Quite, I don't know, therapeutic, I guess, because you're doing something for yourself. Like, I'm making this for me. I'm gonna try and show you. I don't actually know how I'm gonna show this, putting it onto the tray. No, it won't balance. Oh, I love being poor. There, I guess. And put this flour back. Boom. Okay, so I just washed my hands because I realised I've got to roll this in my hand and put it onto the tray, and I sprayed it. It's not really rollable, it's quite still liquidy. So I'm gonna just take, a chunk, I guess. As you can see, it's quite liquidy. Oh. I didn't think it would roll into a ball, to be honest. Oh, no. Right, go. I'm not going to use my hands because that obviously didn't work. I don't know why I'm going to try and make these even look good because I don't like any of my food look good, so why bother starting now? 25 with this recipe, but I haven't even got enough room for 25 on here, so it's probably better. And here I'm convincing myself of that, so let's just go along with it. It only takes 10 minutes to cook, I think, and I'm just going to watch it because my experience with cookies is they go quick. I think I'm only going to have room for 369. But then again, they are all for me. Gonna spoon the rest out to the ones that are looking a bit sad. So this is the finished look. I know it actually looks like turds, but I can confirm from trying the batch, whatever that stuff is called, it tastes really good. Can't say that's anything too appetizing at the moment, but I'm gonna whack them in and see what happens. These things have got big. Look at them. They're like bloody rocks. I haven't been clock watching because I've been doing the washing up, so I actually don't know when to take them out. This is what they look like afterwards. I think they look pretty good. Considering I've been prodding them to see, to see what the texture would be like. But yeah, I haven't tried it yet, but I will do and I'll update. But for now, I think they look pretty darn good. I can't lie, kind of hard to take off the foil. I didn't put enough oil on it, but these are good. Like, they're chewy on the outside, really soft in the middle. I'm really enjoying it. Yeah, all in all, I'm quite impressed with these.
It was really, really easy to make. And I literally put no time or care into them at all. So yeah, oh, that one came out well. Can you see it? I'm happy with that. Now I want some milk. The soy will have to do. It's definitely better than banana bread. It's genuinely soft on the inside. Because I'm not even trying to toot my own horn here, but this is good. Like, I was not expecting it. I thought I was going to throw them in the bin. It was so easy. I'm actually mind blown. Mind blowed? That's not a word, is it? I can't think right now because I'm in cookie heaven. Also, I feel like peanut butter is quite readily available. No milk required. No flour. 1 egg. Sugar. And the big PB.